Have you ever wondered what the world looks like up close? Beyond what our eyes can see lies a universe of intricate detail and stunning beauty, often hidden in the most ordinary objects. Today, we're diving into the microscopic world, exploring how everyday things transform into breathtaking wonders under the lens of a microscope. First up, let's take a look at a simple drop of water. To the naked eye, it's just a clear, unremarkable liquid. But under a microscope, it explodes into a bustling ecosystem. You'll see tiny microorganisms like paramecium and amoeba darting around. These single-celled organisms, invisible to us, are thriving in their miniature world, showcasing the vibrant life that exists all around us. Next, let's examine a grain of sand. On a beach, sand seems uniform and plain, but under the microscope, it reveals a dazzling array of colors, shapes, and textures. You'll see tiny fragments of minerals, each with its unique crystalline structure, sparkling like miniature gems. The simple grain of sand becomes a testament to the complex geological processes that shaped it over millions of years. Now let's explore a common household item, a strand of hair. A human hair appears smooth and simple, but under magnification, it's a marvel of design. You can see the overlapping scales of the cuticle, which protect the inner cortex. The hair's texture, its thickness, and even the presence of any damage becomes vividly apparent, revealing the story of its journey. Let's move on to something we all love, a flower petal. A flower petal is delicate and visually appealing. Under the microscope, it transforms into an architectural masterpiece. You'll observe intricate cell structures, vibrant pigments, and the delicate veins that transport nutrients. You'll discover the delicate beauty and complexity that make each flower unique. Finally, let's examine a common household item, a piece of fabric. The fabric, like a t-shirt or a towel, seems simple, but under magnification, it unveils a complex arrangement of fibers. You can see the intricate weave, the way the threads interlock, and the texture that gives the fabric its feel. This microscopic view reveals the artistry and the engineering behind something we often take for granted. These examples are just a glimpse into the extraordinary world that exists just beyond our vision. The microscope allows us to explore hidden realms, revealing the complex beauty and intricate details that make up our world. So, the next time you encounter something ordinary, remember that there's an entire universe waiting to be discovered, one microscopic view at a time.